Hi guys, I am Akshal Mahajan and today I am going to show you how to create a Flappy Bird game. It will not be a game with a lot of physics, but it will be good. So first we'll create a game. It takes time to load, but here instead of we'll write the game name as Flappy Bird. Okay, so here we'll delete the sprite one sprite. Yes. Then we'll go to backdrops and we'll choose a backdrop. Or a Flappy Bird game. A blue sky backdrop looks good. I think so, right? You choose that. Now you see that we are having the only the backdrop. We also need these sprites. So we'll just try and we'll see which birds are there. So as we see, we can use parrot. Owl is not that good. We can use parrot or token is also good. It's your choice which you want to use. I'll tell you with both. So if you are importing a token, in the costume there will be token A, token B and token C. So what you will do is you will delete the token A. Now I'll teach you about the parrot. Both have the same code, so I'll not code for both. Okay. So we'll choose a sprite as parrot, as you see. So the parrot has only two costumes of flapping, so we don't need any of that. We don't need to delete any costume, but there is a problem. There is not like it's not like a problem, but it is like that the parrot becomes smaller while its wings are down. If you like it, then you can use it. But I'm also using that one. In the properties of the parrot, we will change its name to bird. We'll change its x position to -180 is good and y should be 0. And its size is too big. What we can do is we can shrink it to 70. Still, it's very big. So I think 50 would be very good. Yes, 50 is good. Now you see the now we will switch its costume to parrot A at first so that it looks better. Then we will use events. Green flag clicked forever. We will make another variable. First, we'll delete the my variable. Then we will make another variable. We will call it speed. We'll call it speed y. We'll set OK. Then we'll take a block called wait until. Then we'll use operators. We'll use two OR blocks. Or you can also use one. It's your choice. So here we'll do not touching its mouse down or key space pressed. What you can do is you can add another OR block for like other keys. I would also do for up. Then we will do for then we'll do variables and we will set speed y to like if it's earth based then if 18 looks good we'll see and First, we also have to reset the position. I don't know why we have done y1. It should be y0. Now, then we will wait until, we'll duplicate the wait until, and we will delete the set y, the second one. And here, we will take it out like this and put a not block here. Then we will put it in this again. It should look like this. If it is looking like this, then you are going absolutely correct. Now, the other time when green flag clicked forever, and then it will change y by speed y. Then at last it will change speed y by -4. Let's see how good it is. As you see, we are falling too fast because when we will check the variable like this, it is going till -46, which we don't want it to go to. So what we can do is we can keep the change speed y above the change y by, then we'll use a if block. The change y should not be nested in the if block, and we will do if speed y is less than -18, then what it will do is it will set speed y to -18. Am I clear till now? So if we see, it's not falling that fast, but it is rising very slowly. So it becomes too difficult to play the game. So what we can do is set speed y to 24, not 14. It's 24. Now let's try it. Still better, but we can do better. We can change this to -3 now. But now the bird looks too floaty. We'll change it back to -4. But here we'll set speed y to around how much we need? 26. Now it should be good. Much better, I should say. Now the main part of the game, the obstacles. Can also we can keep pipes for obstacles. They look good. So we'll paint a sprite and then we will use the square tool. In the fill, we will set it to this one, second one, and then we'll go to first color and set it to green. It should be a shade of green like this, and then the color 2 should be should be yellow. Then it looks like that there is sunlight falling on the pipe. But here it has no outline, so it is not looking good. So what we can do is set the outline like this. And now here we will put the pipe block in the center and then press Alt and then extend it. We will put it like this. Then we will again press Alt and extend it. Now, using the Shift and arrow keys, we will scroll it down like this. And we will scroll it according to our choice. Now I am doing it with the arrow keys. So I think it looks good here. And the pipe and the other segment of the pipe would be like this big. We will just make it this big, then we'll alt resize it so that it becomes that it resizes by all angles. If it looks like this, then you are doing very good. Now, using the select tool, we will select both of these things and group them so that it becomes easier afterwards. Then we will press, then we will alt and it is unselected. Then we will alt click it. It will duplicate it on the same position. So what we can do is we will drag it to the center. Then we will do flip horizontal and flip vertical. So it would be like this. Wait, I did a mistake. So we have to group them. Then we will alt click. Then same time we will drag. We'll drag it anywhere. We'll drag it to the center. Then we will do flip horizontal, flip vertical. Not flip horizontal. It should not. We should not do flip horizontal. Then we will use shift and the arrow keys to scroll it. And it should be like this. And I want to tell you one fair warning that it should not be very small, otherwise the bird will not be able to fly through it. Let's test if it's enough. I think so we can make it a bit easier, right? So here we can ungroup it and then use shift and arrow keys to move both a bit further from each other. Now if we check it, does this look good? No, it's much better. But do you think it's very easy? No. Now we will code the sprite one. First, let me rename it to pipe and then hide it. No, not hiding it. We'll place it here, not even here. So it should be like this much. We'll set x to a number 999. It will go to 290x, and this is what we wanted. You just set the number to 999. Now we will do events when green flag clicked forever, and then it will wait 5 seconds before spawning each clone of the pipe. We'll do create clone of mask. Then we'll do a when I start as a clone. We'll do first we'll do in my blocks we'll create a block called place pipe. We'll run it without screen refresh and we'll keep it here. When in place pipe we will do go to x to 90 and y will be pick random. This is like this, and now we will drag the pipe down till it is like here, and according to me it is coming here negative 39. Then we will do place this play my blocks block here. Now we will go to control and do forever motion move negative 5 steps. But here the you see the problem is it will be stuck here, it will not delete. If we do when touching edge, it will just delete it when it spawns. So you know what we can do? We can go to the pipe, not pipe, we'll choose a sprite, there is a sprite called line. See this one. It is of red color. Even though we do not need the color, we will set its direction to 0 and then we will drag it all the way back. And what we can do is we can set x to minus 999. So it goes like max. Wait, I did not do it. No, it goes till like this max. And then for the pipe, what we can do is we'll use another when I start as a clone forever if you are touching. If it's the touching the line sprite, it will wait for around, let's see, should we do 2.564? See, and then what we will do is delete the clone. Let's see. Oh, I forgot one major thing. Sorry. We will have to hide this line, but not with the hide block. We will set its ghost effect to 100. Now I'll tell you why I am not using the hide block. Because using the hide block, this sprite becomes, then the sprite cannot be touched by other sprites. But if we are using ghost effect 200, it will be invisible to us but not for the other sprites. Now it will look better. And I also forgot to hide the pipe and show it when we have placed the pipe. Now I'll just let the bird sit at the bottom. I don't know why. Yeah, I have not put it to loose. So as you see, it is still slow. It is like very slow. What we can do is I think then 1 second would be better. Let's see. The bird is waiting for the pipe. Still we need less. 0.8, I think so. I think not it will work. Yes. So now it is done. Now what we need is the like death. So what we will do is when green flag clicked, not we do not need a new when green flag clicked. We'll just do if touching the if we are touching the pipe or we are touching the edge, then we will just stop all for now. And we also have to add score. So we'll make a variable called score. Okay. So now we will hide both variables and here we will change score by 1 and at the starting we'll set go to 0. But here it is like very slow. The score will be going on like it will go till millions till the first pipe comes. So we'll put it um in another loop. I'm sorry I'm having to give you so many loops, but this is necessary. So what we can do is we can wait for around 2 seconds till the next for score. This is done. So there is one thing left. So now I think so we'll not be able to complete it in like one part. So we'll do two parts. Part one. Okay. I will save it. And then I'm thinking of showing the score, setting it to large readout and putting it here. And now let's see how our game is working. Yes, one score, two score, three score. Oh, I lost on four. So this was part one. I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.